For the past 14 years, we've woven our lives together. Laughter, challenges, and countless memories. You've been my best friend, my anchor, and my greatest adventure.
Balo mo makananda ka kaluguran. So, we've been through a lot and malawot na yung pigdalanan, ang pong malawak na yung karanasan.
Marapat mong dinantalang palakpak, deni nga duwang kakasal, ding magnasang miaptasan puso. Uling biru ing delanan daking bir, dapat ngeni at tsuno king arap ing altar.
From the moment I met you, I knew my life would never be the same. You are my rock, my inspiration, and the love of my life.
Tell me to calm down.
Nung makanano ka tameg umpisa, then still itang banding tamo. From the very beginning till end, same pa rin.
It's easy to see from down here. If I'm not swinging, then the war is won.
Masayang masaya tamo uling king kay kabaning panawon, king altar la pamurin niyak.
All I want you to do is bawasan ng kapusitan, tatuwata na. Pero the love will still remain. As always.
Today, I promise to stand by you through all of life and challenges. I vow to support your dreams, celebrate your triumphs, and comfort you in times of need. In your eyes, I found my home. I promise to cherish you, to support you, and to love you fiercely. Well, I'm looking forward na may ipapanalo natin ang lahat ng tayo.
So, itang pagiging joker mo, until now, babarugya pa naman ka na ako eh. So, medyo dagdag puntos kaya kita, karing kalulto ko.
I promise to always be honest, kind, and patient, and to build a life together filled with joy, laughter, and endless love.
Happy na ini. Ala nang urungan. Sabi ko na kaya ka mas di pa ka kanyan. Kasi ala na kan choice. See you later.
Masayang masayata mo uling king kabaning panawon king altar la pamurin niyak.
With you, I have found a partner who makes me better and a love that is boundless. For all the tomorrows we have ahead, and we are unstoppable. And I can wait to see you where our journey takes us next. Here's to forever, my joy. I commit to cherishing and loving you for who you are, with all your strengths and imperfections.
Kasama kang tumanda. Forever kasama kang tataba. I love you always and forever.
May you continue to inspire each other, to lift each other up, and to find joy in the dance of life. Pami asawa niyo, ala ng aliwa, nune ing alang sawang pamanera king Amen.